Dear students of class 6, I welcome you all again in this beautiful world of English subject. Students, today we will read a prose that is taken from your English literature book of Tulis series of class 6. This prose, the title of this prose is Musa Ali's Camel. This prose gives the student a very valuable piece of information about the Bactrian camel, which is about to vanish. This prose tells us the different features and speciality of these Bactrian camels and also tell us that the wide history of these Bactrian camels. The prose started with the name of a girl, Sana, whose father is doctor and has been transferred to Nubra Valley in Ladakh. The girl, Sama, also went to Nubra to spend her vacations with her father. At Nubra, they lived as a paying guest in Dixit Dolma's house, and Sama and Dolmas become friends at very first day. Dolma tells the Sama that one more specialty of Ladakh is its camel apart from its beauty and culture, and promises that Sama that they will go to meet the Musa Ali next Sunday. When the both girl goes to Musa Ali, Sama was surprised to see that camel's calf is in the company of boy. The Musa's Ali tells them that the calf was missed by his mother and no Musa is trying to find his mother. He says that it is his duty to find the mother and his herd. Both the girl likes the Musa's word and the calf. The Sama asks him a question that why the population of this Bactrian camel is increasing day by day in Nubra Valley. Here the Musa gives the answer by saying that it is possible just because of the man and animal relationship building in Nubra. Dolma appreciate Musa's and motivate him to find the mother of the calf. Story goes on between them. At the end, Musa gives assurance to both the girl that he will take care of the calf and both live together like companion and face all the odds of the life together. The particular prose explain the different features of the Bactrian camel. Here in this chapter we can find the writer has given the different features of Bactrian camel, like the camel's length is up to 10 feet, height is up to 7 feet and weight is up to 1500 pounds. Its skin changes its color from light to dark when the season changes from summer to winter. These camels are originally natives of Mongolia, where they called as Haftkai. They are also found in remote area of Gobi and Taklamakan desert in Mongolia and China. Initially, these camels are used for transportation across the Karakoram range and the Silk Route of their adaptability for difficult seasons. The one more important feature of Bactrian camel is the camel has two humps which contain a high amount of fat when there is a scarcity of food. जब खाने की कमी होती है. The gestation period of these camel is up to 12 to 15 months, followed by a single birth. वो सिर्फ पूरी जिंदगी में एक ही बच्चा पैदा करते हैं. The lifespan of these camels are up to 40 years. At the end of this prose, writer explains that the wide range of this species has been dramatically reduced to the competition within the domestic herds, particularly for water. Their population is increasing day by day in Ladakh. This is just because of the efforts of the local people. Appreciates the efforts of the local people in that area. This is all about this prose. I hope you like this prose. Thanks for watching this video.